In one of the biggest shockers of 2025, at WrestleMania 41 Night 1, Paul Heyman turned on both Roman Reigns and CM Punk and joined forces with Seth Rollins. Just 24 hours later on WWE Raw, Braun Breaker joined the duo. And a few weeks after that, at Saturday night's main event, Bronson Reed made his surprise return and joined the faction. At this point, about 2 months have passed since this group formed at WrestleMania 41. And I can safely say that this group, this stable, has been a massive flop so far. There's something incredibly weird about this group. Everyone in this group seems out of place. Last year, Bronson Reed hit 6 tsunamis on Raw on Seth Rollins. And we still don't know why these two men are friends now. Whenever this group is in the middle of the ring and Seth Rollins is cutting a promo, just notice the body language of the wise man Paul Heyman. He seems so out of place. He feels uncomfortable. It feels as if he doesn't want to be there, doesn't want to be a part of this faction. Paul Heyman's body language was very different when he used to be with Brock Lesnar, CM Punk or Roman Reigns back in the day. His pairing with Seth Rollins on WWE TV just doesn't feel natural at all. WWE Hall of Famer Bully Ray thinks this as well. On the latest edition of Busted Open, he didn't mince his words one bit and made it clear that he doesn't like this group. I am watching Heyman and boy oh boy, did Paul Heyman tell me everything I needed to know last night. Because Paul looked uncomfortable last night. That's the only word that can come to mind. Paul looked like he did not belong out there with them. The forced looks on Paul's face. I know what real Paul Heyman looks like. I know what genuine Heyman looks like, okay? I know what the real life facials are. I also know what his performing facials are. Bully further said, Paul Heyman looks like someone who doesn't believe one bit in Seth Rollins' words. And I completely agree with him. This pairing just isn't working. It's been 2 months already and WWE hasn't developed this group one bit. Let's see what the future holds for this faction. Meanwhile, let's check out some of the fans' comments who, like me and Bully Ray, believe that WWE has fumbled Seth Rollins' faction. It just doesn't feel like any of the individuals have any chemistry with each other. Single heel Rollins okay, Heyman and Braun okay, but Bronson Reed is mid-card and has nothing to do with them. Not only that, but the people don't want to boo Seth Rollins, and that's because they haven't changed his presentation. Like change the damn music, stop him from wearing the wild clothes, put him in a black suit. Seth is overrated. He is a B star given an A star push. He doesn't have the it factor like Roman did. Maybe it's because of the way he dresses or has been acting like the Joker the past 2-3 years, but no one can take him seriously lol. This faction just seems like Seth is holding both Bronson and Braun back to help him. Yeah, something's odd with this group. It's like they were just thrown together haphazardly. Reed was just with Solo's bloodline before he got injured and gave Seth 6 tsunamis. I don't know.